Welcome back, friends. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how we can reverse a list in Microsoft Excel. Reversing a list means changing the order of list in opposite direction. For example, here I have a list of some home appliance products. First product is refrigerator, second is microwave oven, third is washing machine, and following the sequence, the last item in the list is iron. If I want to keep this list in opposite direction, for example, iron in the first product, water heater in second, dishwasher in third, and so on, this will be a reverse list. So, in this tutorial, we're going to learn how we can do it in Excel. Here, we will learn two methods of doing this. First is the data sorting method, and second is the formula method. Sort method will have static result, and formula method will have dynamic result. You can choose any method, based on your data and requirement. Let's start. First, beside your data, create a helper column with a header name of index. Below it, create an index number sequence from 1 to your last data. Now, select all data.
Click on Data tab.
Click on Sort. In the Sort by, choose Index column. In the order, choose largest to smallest option. Then click on OK. Here you see, the list has been reversed. You can now clear this index column. Let's look into the second method, which is the formula method. I will reverse this list again with a formula. For this, I will combine here index and count a function. Click on this C3 cell. Press is equal to. Type index function, open parentheses. In the array parameter, select the list. Lock the list by pressing F4 key in keyboard. Put a comma. In the row number parameter, use count a function. In the value 1 parameter, select the list. Close the count a and index function by 2 closing parentheses. Then, press enter. Here you see, the last product name is given here. Use the fill handle and drag the formula down. The list has been reversed. And this is dynamic. If you change an item in the list, it will reflect in the reverse list too. That was all about the methods of reversing a list in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video tutorial.